Unexpected uses for coffee filters you need to try today. Hey there, coffee enthusiasts and creative minds! Did you know that these unassuming little paper baskets have much more potential than just filtering out delightful coffee grounds? Brace yourselves! Today, we're here to brew up some fresh and innovative ideas to help you make the most of these versatile paper filters. Let's just dive right in and explore the endless possibilities that await. Odor-absorbing sachets. To help combat unpleasant household odors, you can repurpose coffee filters into odor-absorbing sachets. Simply fill them with baking soda and seal them with rubber bands. These sachets can be placed in drawers and closets, inside shoes or gym bags, or even the fridge for a hint of freshness. For an extra touch, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oils to the sachet, bringing a pleasant aroma along with the odor-fighting power of baking soda. Microwave dish covers. Instead of dealing with messy food splatters, place a coffee filter on top of your plate or bowl before microwaving. The filter acts as a barrier, preventing the food from splattering and keeping your microwave clean. Not only does it save you from the hassle of cleaning up afterward, but it also allows steam to escape, ensuring that your food heats evenly. Herbal tea bags. Love sipping herbal tea? Coffee filters can be easily transformed into personalized tea bags. Just fill a coffee filter with your choice of loose tea leaves or herbs. Then gather the edges and tie them securely with a string. Drop your homemade tea bag into a mug of hot water and let it steep, just like you would with a regular tea bag. This allows you to create your own unique tea blends by mixing different herbs to suit your taste preferences. Grease absorbers. Next time you're serving fried or greasy food, reach for a coffee filter to help absorb excess oil. Just lay a coffee filter on your plate before adding the food, and it will work its magic to soak up the grease. This handy trick is particularly useful for dishes like fried chicken, where you want to remove as much oil as possible. Polish applicators. Need to polish stainless steel, glass, or other shiny surfaces? Coffee filters can be your lint-free, affordable, and effective solution. Simply take a clean coffee filter and use it as an applicator for your polishing materials. The soft texture of the filter will help distribute the polish evenly, while preventing lint or scratches often caused by using rough materials. Face blotting papers. When it comes to combating midday shine, coffee filters can come to the rescue. Cut coffee filters into smaller pieces and use them as an affordable alternative to expensive blotting papers. The absorbent nature of the filters allows them to soak up excess oil from your skin, leaving it looking fresh and matte. Cheese wrappers. When it comes to storing cheese, coffee filters can be a game changer. Wrap your favorite cheese in a coffee filter, securing it with a rubber band or twine. The porous nature of the filter allows the cheese to breathe while protecting it from drying out in the fridge. The result? Fresh and flavorful cheese whenever you're ready to indulge. Nail polish remover pads. If you find yourself out of cotton pads or tissues when removing your nail polish, coffee filters, cut into smaller pieces, can once again save the day. The soft and absorbent texture of the filter will help remove your nail polish effectively without leaving behind any residue or fibers. It's a quick and convenient solution for achieving a flawless manicure. Herb drying sheets. You can effortlessly preserve the flavor and aroma of your homegrown herbs by simply placing them on a coffee filter and allowing them to dry. The filter's breathable material allows air circulation, promoting even drying without trapping moisture. Once the herbs dry completely, they are ready to be transferred to storage containers or used in your favorite recipes. Cooking oil strainers. Reusing cooking oil can also be a practical and cost-effective solution as it reduces waste and the need for frequent oil replacements. To keep it purified and ready for your next culinary creation, place a coffee filter over a jar or container and pour the oil through it. Just make sure to let it cool down first. The filter will capture any impurities or solid particles. Seed envelopes. Coffee filters can be repurposed into seed envelopes to neatly store and organize your seeds for future planting seasons. Fold a coffee filter to create a pocket. Insert your seeds and secure it with tape. Label the envelope with the seed variety and date, ensuring that your seeds are easily identifiable when it's time to plant. The breathable nature of the coffee filter allows the seeds to stay dry while still maintaining proper air circulation. Snack holders. Coffee filters make for handy disposable bowls when it comes to enjoying your favorite snacks. Whether it's popcorn, chips, nuts, or pretzels, simply grab a coffee filter and turn it into a convenient bowl on the go. The filter shape keeps your snacks contained, and its lightweight nature makes it easy to hold and enjoy your treats. Plus, when you're finished, you can simply toss the filter in the bin, saving you from the extra dishes and cleanup afterward. Wine filters. If you want to ensure a smooth pour and avoid unwanted cork particles in your wine, a coffee filter can come to the rescue. Before serving, slowly pour the wine through a coffee filter placed over the neck of the bottle or a decanter. The filter will catch any cork particles or sediment, resulting in a cleaner pour. This trick is especially handy when enjoying older or bottle-conditioned wines, where sediments may naturally occur. Plant pot liners. When repotting or planting in pots, either indoors or outdoors, using a coffee filter can be a smart way to keep the soil contained. Place a coffee filter at the bottom of the pot, covering the drainage holes. The filter will act as a barrier, allowing water to pass through while preventing soil from escaping with it. This helps maintain an optimal growing environment for your plants and prevents soil from staining or damaging surfaces. Fire starters. Coffee filters can be a valuable resource when it comes to lighting a fire for your next camping trip or bonfire. All you have to do is dip the filters in wax or cooking oil and let them dry thoroughly. Once they are dry, place them beneath your logs or kindling, ignite, and watch as your fire quickly comes to life. The wax or oil-soaked filter provides a slow and steady burn, making it an efficient method to ignite fires in outdoor settings. So the next time you reach for these humble paper baskets, remember that they have far more potential than just filtering your favorite coffee ground concoction. From organization to cleaning, and even fire starting, coffee filters are a practical and cost-effective solution for a range of everyday needs. Let your creativity percolate and give these practical alternative uses a shot. And if you're ready to take things to the next level, be sure to check out our informative video explaining a variety of useful and eco-friendly ways to utilize your leftover coffee grounds. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.